So in last week's problem of the week, I asked you to compare zero point 0.9 repeating and 1. Are they equal or is it less than? First thing you could do is look at a number line. If two numbers are different, then obviously there's something that can go in between them. So for instance, 0 and 2, I know they're different numbers because I can put a 1 in between them. But what about 0.9 repeating and 1? Is there any number that can go in between them on a number line to prove that they're different? A lot of students will think, well, what if I just stuck a 1 at the end of this 0.9 repeating? So it's 0.999999991. Well, that's not true because 0.9 repeating doesn't have any 1s in it. It's just 9s going on forever. So since 9s are just going on forever, I can't really stick anything at the end. So as a result, I can't really put a number in between them. So on a number line, these two would be the same. Another argument, what if I looked at the fraction and the decimal equivalent of 1/3? 1/3 is 0.3 repeating. So if I were to add that to itself 3 times, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3, or 1. 0.3 repeating plus itself 3 times would be 0.9 repeating. So can I conclude that they're the same? One more argument. Let's use the procedure outlined last week. I'm going to say that x is equal to 0.9 repeating. 10x's would be 9.9 repeating. And if I were to subtract these two quantities, I would get rid of that repeating decimal. 10x subtract x is 9.9 repeating minus 0.9 repeating, or 9x equals 9, or x equals 1. Now we've proved what we want to prove. Initially we started out by saying that x was 0.9 repeating. Then we're saying that x is 1. Well, if x is equal to both of these quantities, then by what we call the transitive property, 0.9 repeating and 1 have to be the same number. Hopefully you got it. Thanks for watching.